Jesu isibhayibheli waleliswa phansi nawo walula izandla zakhe kanje okusho ukuthi mina baba angisanawo amandla okwenza anything in this matter sekunikela kuwe yonke into. Now that is why he began to utter these words and say baba bathethelele because they don't know what they are doing. Abakwazi abakwenzayo. Now isibhayibheli base bayashaya isipikiri saka-right wangathi ngiyambona lo le social elisihleli imshaya kwavuleka imbobo and bakuvuleka imbobo sangena nasegodweni and igodo lakhona it was not the normal tree but it was a divine one. Lapho kubethela khona uJesu bese lezi ezinye besiyisiphambano nje ezinormal because into kaJesu ayifani nezinye izinto. Nesiphambano sakho besingafani. That is why it was written ukuthi this is the King of Jews. Akubhalwanga nje kulaba Bible kubhalwe kuyi-King of Glory noma kuyindodana kaNkulunkulu. That is why akhona ukukhuluma amazwi athi Jesu forgive them for they don't know what they are doing. Bengizothi mina in this season forgive them even though they didn't say sorry. Right? Mhlawumbe usihlizo ngithi ithi mina baxolele bangakasho ukuthi siyaxolisa. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi awudingi ukuthi baze bafike bazoxolisa but you need to give forgiveness because Christ wayiveza le nkonzo yokuxolela abangakaxolisanga. But wakala wathi baba baxolele bathethelele ngoba abayazi lento abayenzayo. Lathi iBhayibheli washiya phakamisa and lesi iBhayibheli isiphambano sakhe babasifaka lapha emgodini. But la ebakufaka khona isibhayibheli base bafaka intambo ngapha kule side ngapha bafaka intambo kule side ngapha basifaka esigodini mabasifaka basidonsa le intambo because akekho umuntu ebengakhona ukusiphakamisa ngezandla zakhe ngoba into kaJesu akusiyo yonke into enormal like any other thing. Into kaJesu ihlukile. So we forgive nanoma ngathiwa bazalwane abaxolisanga but we forgive out of abundance. Bengizothi mina kulo nyaka 2025 kule Passover baxolele bangakaxolisi because we need to forgive. Isibhayibheli thina sifaniswa noKristu ngisho bazalwane. Isibhayibheli kokofongi mabati bangamaKristu why they were called them Christ is because bebenza njengoKristu. Noma bakhuluma isibhayibheli baze bafakaza uPeter esakhumbula makazophika uJesu bathi lo uhamba njengaye. Uyamphika but baze bayasho ukuthi lo ukhulumisa njengaye. Yini indaba is because thina sifaniswa naye. Ithi kumele sixolele bangakaxolisi.